Hello dear viewers, welcome to TV Math. In our today's session, we want to go through mathematics. This is a UNEB that has just been done by the senior 4 students. That is for 2025. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. Subscribing is free of charge. Simply hit in the subscribe button and that's all. Thank you for subscribing to TV Math. It is very crucial for us to extend this video to a wider community. So let us go through this paper. So this is the UNEB UCE Mathematics. This was the item number 1. So this was item number 2. And these were the tasks for item 2. So this is now section B, which has got 2 parts, and in each part you respond to only one item. So this is item number 3 in section B, part 1. Then item number 4. And lastly, we have part 2, which is consisting of item 5 and 6. And you also respond to only one item. And that's all about UNEB 2025 for the senior 4 candidates, and we wish them all the best. We shall go through some of these items, so please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can always be updated with any videos that we upload. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video, don't forget to comment as well.
Yeah.